The ingredients you will need to make sattu ka paratha are 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, half a cup of roasted bengal gram, about half a cup of water or buttermilk for making the dough, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half an inch of washed and peeled ginger, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a few curry leaves, oil for cooking and 1 green chilli. Right now I don't have green chilli at home, so I am using dry red chilli. To a mixie, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, peeled ginger, curry leaves, chilli, half teaspoon of salt and the roasted bengal gram. Grind these ingredients to get a fine powder. Transfer the sattu powder to a bowl. Add chopped onion, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water and half tablespoon of oil to this. Mix well and set it aside for later use as a stuffing. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dough for the paratha. In a large bowl, add the whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Pour water little at a time and mix well. I am using buttermilk instead of water. You can even use curd or milk. Use just enough water to knead the flour mixture into a smooth and firm dough. Now, take the sattu mixture and make 7 to 8 equal sized balls out of it. If you are not able to make it into a ball, add 1 or 2 teaspoons more of water. Also, divide the dough into 7 to 8 equal portions. Roll one portion between your palms and using your fingers make a cup out of it, like shown in the video. Place a sattu ball inside it and seal it as shown in the video. Dust this ball with some flour and roll it out into a semi-thick paratha. Similarly, stuff and roll out the rest of the dough. Now, heat a tawa and place one rolled paratha on it. Cook this on medium to high flame till you see tiny bubbles forming on it. Flip it, apply some oil and again wait till you see tiny bubbles forming. Once again flip it, apply some more oil and cook the paratha till it has golden brown spots on both sides. Cook the rest of the rolled paratha similarly. Serve this protein-packed sattu paratha for breakfast with your favorite sabzi or gravy, some curd and pickle. Enjoy!